everyone. I am Dr. Anshu. Today we will talk about IELTS speaking test. How to stay confident on the day of test. Often you may feel that you are a bit nervous about facing an examiner on test day. By today's discussion, I am damn sure you'll experience that you have become more confident and better prepared for the upcoming test. First of all, it is suggested to avoid rehearsed and memorized answers, especially in part 1, where you are generally asked the questions such as introduce yourself, recreational activities, your future prospects. Here you need to be natural enough. It is suggested that the memorized language doesn't give the examiner measure to assess your language skills. It is suggested to avoid using complex words. You may have acute desire of impressing the examiner by using unique and complex words or a series of new words that you may have a wish or desire of using them in the particular context. But here there is high risk of making mistakes. You may mispronounce those words and even you may use them in inappropriate context, and this may reduce your band score. So you need to use some common natural words or the words you are familiar with so that you can use them naturally, and the words that are really relevant to the particular topic are to be used. Another important thing is avoid using fillers. Speak confidently and avoid using filler words such as yeah, and, well, I see. Such filler words, we generally use them when we don't know what to say. And this shows the examiner that you cannot access the appropriate language and the ideas that are to be used at that particular moment. Another caution that you need to take is take brief pause. There is no harm in taking a brief pause before starting any question. You can use such phrases, they'll give you time to think on the particular topic that is asked to you, such as that is a good question, that is an interesting question, let me see, or I have never seen this type of question, but still I try to answer. So this is an interesting idea. Or these types of phrases can be used just to prolong the thinking time, but it should be brief pause. Another strategy can be elaborate your answer in detail. Don't give the examiner chance to prompt you or to elaborate the answer. Just give the answer in detail. By any chance, if the examiner asks why, that means he is prompting you to give the answer in detail and give some reasons and justifications, some examples to elaborate your answer, so that he may not think that you don't have appropriate or adequate language skills to elaborate that particular topic. So elaborate your answer until you are stopped to ask some other question. Another important strategy is speak with little variation. Sometimes you produce flat sound, monotone with little variation. In that case, it becomes difficult to express, and even it becomes difficult for the listener to understand that on which part of the message you want to lay stress. So, vary stress and intonation just to lay emphasis. Another important strategy you need to keep in mind is use varied grammatical structures. IELTS examiners assess your speaking skills on the basis of these assessment criteria, such as fluency and coherence, lexical resources, range of grammatical structures, and accuracy, pronunciation. So try to use a range of grammatical structures such as simple, compound, and complex sentences to express your ideas. You can avoid becoming overly conscious of your accent. With a face to face speaking test, IELTS examiner understands the wide range of accents and they'll understand what you want to convey. If you can communicate in a confident manner, if you have good communication skills, then you need not to worry. At last, I would say smile. Smiling can help calm your nerves, and that in turn helps your pronunciation. Make it sure to enunciate clearly and open your mouth wide so that whatever you speak, it may come out clearly. Whenever you are smiling, then your mouth is bigger, and what you speak, it is more friendly and natural. So at last, I would say that follow all these tips and stay confident on the day of the test.